G'day guys, it's Ben again, here to bring you another video, and this one is going to be doing a review of the Windlass Steelcraft Spearhead. Okay guys, this is a really nice piece. I do like this. It is simple, it is very effective, it looks the part, and it really does come across with a very nice finish. Let's just take a quick look at a couple of the details. This is 42 centimeters long, weighs in around 450 or so grams roughly, and it's made from EN45 steel, which is really good. I find personally, spearheads are very sort of generic thing, honestly, most of the time. This has no extra detailing, it's not fancy, it's not anything like that, but it is just very effective. Now I've bought several of these to use as lance heads, because I mostly do kind of late 11th, early 12th century reenactment, and this is very sort of typical of what would have been seen at the time. I don't actually have this mounted yet properly onto my lance. The lance that I'm using is 2.4 meters long. Let's see if I can get this shown. Here we go. 2.4 meters long at 26 millimeter Tasmanian oak dowel, which is exceptional. I got this from the local hardware store, and it's really nice. And I've mounted my knight's pennant onto this, so this is all in all a very nice realistic piece. The one thing I'd always recommend about spearheads, and this comes from experience of both myself and many of my friends, is be very careful when you pull these out at home. So many times I'd like pull this off the wall to show a friend, hey, take a look at this one, and I'll lift it up, and of course that's then going to go straight into the ceiling. It's and there's some good gouge marks in previous homes I've rented, but there we go. Alright, but for those of you who are into medieval reenactment and education, you want to learn about this kind of thing, there's so much of this going on at the moment. It's very popular obviously in television and in theatre, but getting some good quality pieces is, I think, the way to go. Don't just buy stuff to hang on your shelf. Buy it, use it, but have it and let it be part of your life. Reenactment is a great thing. It's so fun. It's a great way to meet people, interact with other people who are interested in that sort of time period. Anyway, please like, subscribe and share, and I hope to catch you in my next video.